Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ashwath and welcome to Insane Tech. In today's video we are going to have a look at some of the insane apps for the week. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first app on the list is Wally. Well, it's a great wallpaper app. Launching it will redirect you to all the latest wallpapers that are updated in the app. Looking into the interface, you have got 3 tabs at front. At first tab, you will get the latest and greatest wallpapers updated from the app. At second tab, you will get all the featured wallpapers, that is all the popular wallpapers of the app. And at the third tab, you will get the collections of all the wallpapers uploaded by single user. Swiping from left will give you an access to more options. You have an option for multi-filter, which is self-explanatory, and below that you have an option to sort all the wallpapers from the category available like buildings, nature, objects, people, etc. You can also change the theme of an app, and you can also easily access to all the downloaded wallpapers from the app. You also have an option to preview the wallpapers before applying by clicking this eye icon, and it will give you a quick preview of how the wallpaper is going to look on your phone screen. Next app for the week is Wallpaper Modder. Now that you have downloaded the wallpaper earlier from Wally, you can now change the color and add blur effects by modding it with this app. You have various options to play around with, like adjusting the hue, saturation, brightness, contrast and blur effect. Once you're done with modding the wallpaper, save it and you are good to rock with your modded wallpaper. Now that you have modded the wallpaper and want to share this with your friend, there comes the next app on our list, and that is the device frame generator. The app is very simple to use. Just select the device and select the screenshot that you have taken and share it with your friends. The sent image will look way cooler now as it showcases the device that you are rocking with. You can also select the background color or add blur effect if you want to. Coming to the next app on the list is Recipe Book. Well, the app name itself says it all. As the holiday season is going on, you might need this in case if you are planning to cook something new or if you want to learn how to cook by yourself. The best thing I like about this app is the overall interface. The developer have done great job in sorting all the recipes in very simple way. I mean, just look at the app and you are unlikely to get confused with the recipes the way they have sorted in app. You can directly search for the recipes from the top, or to be very precise, you also have an option to select the recipes from the category. Another cool feature of this app is the option of shake and make. Select the ingredients from the app and then just shake your phone. It will list down all the recipes that has all those ingredients that you have selected from the app. This option is damn cool. Next app on the list we have Brave Browser. I have been using this browser for over a week now, and I am certainly impressed with the way this browser works as an alternative to Chrome. Brave is designed with a built-in ad blocker to provide an ad-free and seamless browsing experience. No external plugins or settings to manage or configure. Brave simply provides the fastest and most secure browsing experience available for Android. Brave is designed for both speed and security, so you can enjoy lightning-fast browsing without pop-ups and malware. Brave also protects users with leading privacy and security features such as HTTPS everywhere, script blocking, third-party cookie blocking, and private incognito tabs. Last app on the list we have AP15 Launcher. Well, the name of this launcher is a bit odd, but the launcher is very simple. You open up your phone's lock screen and you are into the launcher's app drawer. The menu which are highlighted through big fonts are those apps which you use frequently. Clicking on menu will launch the app and that's it. Well, you get some customization as well from the preference option. You can change colors, adjust the size of the fonts, wallpaper color, wallpaper image, and an option to share screenshot as well. Definitely give it a try and find out how long you can stay with this launcher. Well, that's pretty much it guys. Those were all the insane apps for the week. Let me know down in the comment column if you are using any other new interesting apps. If you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to smack that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I will be posting videos every weekend. Also don't forget to click that bell icon to get notified once the video is uploaded. Till then, bye guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.